Hey guys, it's Rick again. I wanted to show you something that I bought for my propane grill. If you have a propane grill and you need to know how much gas you have left in your grill because you're going to go out there grilling, it's best to have this meter. Now it's also best to have a second tank with gas in it for backup, but it's always good to have this meter so you can tell where your tank is currently. Instead of trying to feel the weight of the tank to find out actually how much gas it has, which is just guesswork. If you have this meter, which is going to be right here, you're going to be able to tell quite easily like you would the gas in your vehicle. Let me show you how easy it is to hook up. Okay, I'm going to show you how easy this is to get done. Now, I don't sell propane or propane accessories, but I do use them. So this is step one. You go ahead and grab the meter and you start screwing the meter onto your propane tank. This is going to be a full propane tank, I'm assuming, right? So you go ahead and screw it on there. Make sure the valve is closed on a propane tank, completely closed, tight shut. Go on to step two. Step two is it's already on and you're good to go. Now you have a new set of threads where you can actually screw your grill hose onto, and then you can complete the circuit. So that's going to be step three, and step three is right there. And then once you get that screwed on there, step four is open the valve. Open the valve, you're going to see the meter rise on up real quick to the top into the green section. That tells you how much gas you have. So again, it's like the gas tank in your car, the gas meter in your car. It's going to tell you how much gas you have at any given time, let you know you're running low, you're about to run out. So if you're about to run out and you're actually cooking, you might want to grab your second propane tank and get it close so it can be easily swapped out and you won't lose very much heat inside of your gas grill. That way you can cook your sausage or your hamburgers, whatever you're doing, and keep it nice and warm. So anything else that I have, I will show you. Remember, I do reviews, I do videos every single Sunday. So it's not just building stuff, which is great, but I also review things. Oh, don't forget, I have the link down below. So if you click on that link, it helps my channel, helps me bring you videos. Until next time, if I can help save you a few bucks, I will help save you a few bucks.